for those of you that saw the boxes that I had delivered, I had this long box too. Some people thought it was a soundbar, and I knew it wasn't a soundbar because they weigh a lot. So what is it? Let's have a look and see what's in the box. This is the mounting kit for your TSW. So if you're going to be mounting it, maybe not on a back box, and it's not getting into a dry wall, but you're mounting it elsewhere. So, provided is some trunking. So if it's getting on maybe a glass wall, you can do that. And here we have a mount, so it's angled, so when you mount it flush against the wall, it's sticking out a nice little bit there for you. So that's quite cool that you get this mounting kit, being able to put it on a solid wall, a false wall, or even glass, and then have some nice trunking there to hide all your cables so no one sees that PoE. So unfortunately no soundbar, they're all going to customers, and this is the TSW mounting kit.